What is the meaning of bussin?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to delve into the world of contemporary slang and unravel the meaning of a popular phrase you may have come across on social media or in conversation, bussin. This term has been widely used, particularly on platforms like TikTok and Twitter, and knowing its meaning can give you a better grasp of modern-day conversation.
What is bussin?
Bussin is a term that originates from African American Vernacular English, AAVE, and has been popularized through social media platforms, especially TikTok. Its primary usage is to describe food or a meal that's exceptionally delicious or tasty. If you hear someone say that a dish is bussin', they're essentially saying it's amazingly good.
Can bussin be used in other contexts?
Yes, it can. While bussin' is most commonly used to describe food, the term can also be extended to other scenarios. When used in a non-food context, it generally connotes that something is impressive or excellent. For example, if a person says, "Your outfit is bussin'," they mean that your outfit looks great.
How to use bussin in a sentence?
Let's break down some examples to get a better understanding. Food context. This pizza is bussin'. This pizza is extremely delicious. Non-food context. The music at the concert was bussin'. The music at the concert was outstanding. And there you have it. Now you're well versed with the slang term, bussin', and how to use it in various contexts. Remember, language is always evolving, and staying updated with the latest slang can help you connect better with contemporary culture. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful and informative for you. Happy slang exploring!